Okay, box all welded in, everything's plug welded, top and bottom. And you can see on the inside, it's not a great light, but hopefully you can see, 16 gauge box that I had with the tabs on the end. And then, so the cutout that I had for the radiator wasn't going to work great. I ended up making these 1/8 inch plate gussets and then welded in my stock sized lower radiator supports, and I had to put a little spacer on this plate to drop this down a hair and make the room for it. I just got some stitch welds on the sides there. When I pull the motor out, and I'll weld everything up better. Right now it's kind of hard to get in there cleanly and do a decent job. So, but yeah, it's bottom and top is all boxed, plug welded through. So I'll show you with what it looks like with the radiator in it.